Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll available on your Twitch, or how you can simply create a poll that is a selection or option here on your Twitch. For this is my official website, and on the left or right section I will click on create a dashboard. Here in create dashboard you can see this is welcoming my name, start streaming on Twitch. There is a lot of option, but on the left you can see there is a stream manager. You should click that, and in the stream manager, whenever you will click it, there is an option of a pencil to add quick actions to your account. You have to click the quick action setting, or you can click this edit option on the left bottom of the screen. Here in the more section, you can see there is clip that, add stream manager description, add stream manager chat, safeguard your community, and everything here. So you should find the top or any other option like poll whenever you will see it. So I will check all the option, is anything available here? No. I will simply click on the crossback to look out these. This is the clip that option. You can remove or you can add it. So this is how you can add the poll on your Twitch account. Thank you so much for watching this video.